Welcome to the demonstration for WordLearner. First, you need to download WordLearner. This is for the iPhone, but you can do the same in Android. If you go to the App Store and you type in WordLearner at the top here, and you will find WordLearner. You should then download. After you have downloaded, the app will appear here, for example, next to the App Store. The WordLearner is the icon with the small tree. When you first open WordLearner, you'll be asked if you're a student, and you answer yes. You choose your language, for example, English. You're then asked if you want to see the help screens. At the moment, let's say no, because we will do a demonstration for you. You're then asked if you have a class code, and because you're a student with your teacher, the answer is yes. So we sign up. You will then sign up. You will put in your class code, which for example would be TES underbar 33. You put in your username, for example, Akiko P. Your name, Akiko. Your last name, Hata. Your password, for example, 123456. But please choose any password. Put in your sex, your date of birth, which would be, for example, May 1988. Your school number, for example, 987654. Choose your language, for example, Japanese. Your country, which might be, for example, Japan. Your secret question, your mother's name, or any of the other questions is fine. The next thing you need to do is to click to agree to the terms of use, and we do that. Once you've done that, you then sign up. This then tells you that your data have been sent to the teacher, who will add you to the class. After that, you will see your class list. So now, if we go back to the first page, the Learn Words page, you do not have any word lists yet. So let's create a word list. This is your personal word list. Click Create New Word List. And you will choose, for example, some new general service words. You will then write the list. So let's take the name My List. Click Next, and you choose which words you want to learn. For example, somewhere around here. And you select all of those words. Yes. Maybe you want some from Band 14. Yes. And create your word list. There you are. So these here are your lists. So you've got My List and My Dictionary Words. If you want to find out your level, go to the Tests tab, and you can check your vocabulary level here. So you will choose one, for example, general words and academic words, and then a test will be generated for you to test your level, and you just choose your level by selecting the correct words. So this will give you a suggested level at the end. Let's go out of here for now. Stop the test. If we now go to the word lists area, you can see that your teacher has accepted you to the class. And what will happen is, at the top here, the lists from your teacher will come. At the top you can see My Classes. You've got the New General Service List 1, Business Service List 1. So you have a total of 399 words and 199 words. So let's start to learn some words. Click, for example, New General Service List. Here we have 4 ways to learn. Let's look at flashcards. Do you know this word? The word abuse. Do you know this word? And you think, yes I do, no I don't. You make a guess and you read, to use in an appropriate or excessive way, and I was right, so you click Right. Notice now that in the bottom box, a word has moved from the box New to in 15 minutes. These words will come back to you later. Let's try accident. Do you know this word? Think, tap for the answer. I was wrong. Click Wrong. Acquire. Do I know this one? Think, tap for the answer. I was right. And you can see the numbers are changing. So let's try a different game. This here, you have to find the pair, so you just choose 2 of them until you find a pair. Let's try a different game. Find the word. In Find the Word, at the definitions at the top to use in an appropriate or excessive way. This would be, for example, abuse. Sudden unplanned event causing damage would be accident, and so on. In the last one, we have beat the clock. And here you have a definition, which is to use in an appropriate or excessive way, and this would be, for example, abuse, abuse. And you get sudden unplanned event causing injury, for example, accident. So here you have different ways to learn. If you wish, you can also use our dictionary. The dictionary tab here gives you a list of all of the words in our dictionary. There are 80,000 words. So let's look up a word. For example, grand. Maybe you find this word in your book and you see the word at the top, grand, great in amount, excessive, or size. Click the plus sign. This will now save it to you to your My Dictionary words. Let's look for some more words. Where's another word you don't know? For example, grandest. Let's click that one. We don't know. Grandeur, we don't know. And you can choose any word that you wish from here. Let's try a different word. The word janitor. A janitor is someone employed to clean and maintain a building. So let's click that one. If we now go out of here, let's go back to the Learn Words tab. And you can see in the My Dictionary words, you now have a total of 4 words. And again, you can learn them. If you wish, you can change some of your settings. Let's look at the bottom tab on the right, Settings. In here, you can see your vocabulary level. You can change the app language. Currently, it's in English. If you wish, you can change it to another language, for example, like Japanese. The whole app will change to Japanese. And now when you learn words, you will learn them with the Japanese definitions. If we go back to settings, you can then choose whether to have the Japanese first or whether to have the English first. Now the Japanese comes and you have to think of the English. Acquire, and you're right. Here, and you're right. Now if you really know the word, like advertisement for example, and you don't want to see it again, hold the green button for about 10 seconds, and then this will appear. Click, and that will now disappear forever. Do you know this word? Advisor. Hold, and you will see that the green button has changed and disappear forever. Do you know this word? Affair. Yes, I do. Hold down the green button and it will change. There are many more features of Word Learner. Please enjoy using this app.